Hey guys, so I am continuing on a move or a series of moves that we did last week or a couple of weeks ago with our front struts, and then we did our front strut kicks. So remember, it was just one foot in front of the other. Now we're doing the same thing, but backwards. We're gonna do a back strut, and it's just putting that foot behind the other one, directly behind it, in as straight of a line as you can. Trying not to roll too much. So what that's gonna take is just practicing standing still and going one foot behind the other and staying still until you feel comfortable going without rolling too much. And then you can kind of, you know, put your own flavor into it. So I'm listening to a faster song, levitating. So, and then you can combine moves, go back, front, 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 back, 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 back. Ooh. So there you go, guys. That's that back strut. Just one foot behind the other. And remember, if you need to, one of the things that you can do is just very slowly, one foot at a time, put one foot behind the other until you feel comfortable and you're not rolling as much. And then once you get to that point, so you might start slower, putting one foot, not quite with any kind of beat yet, but then you'll feel comfortable and you can incorporate it into your moves. So you can go into a, and there you go, guys. Keep skating.